Well, hello, my pretties. Thank you guys for clicking on to this video. If you are old here, you are not old. You're always new to me, and I appreciate your support of my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Watch the video from the beginning to the end, and I hope you enjoy it and become part of the family. So today we will be going into one of my closets in my home. This closet has been giving me a headache for a long time. It crashed in the middle of the night. It came tumbling down. I put it off because I had other things that I needed to tend to in my closet. And we bought some racks from Walmart. That even crashed down on us. So we had to come up with something sturdy, and we finally came to, I'm going to just let y'all see how it worked out. Stay tuned.
Said you needed space, said you needed more time to think, so you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door.
Show you guys what we woke up to. I think it was like 2:45 a.m. We didn't know what it was. It was like crashing down. Unfortunately, it was our closet. I guess too many clothes, too many shoes, too much of everything going on in here. And it's not the most biggest closet in the world, but I think we had everything organized nicely. At least we had. So I'm going to show you guys the clip of what we woke up to in the morning. Well, this is what happened. Our closet has collapsed. Scared the mess out of us. We didn't know what that was. Let's see what's all back here. We can get this stuff fixed and see what we're going to do. So, I guess this will be our next project. Now we're at a crossroads. We don't really know. I don't want to put this system back up. When we bought the house, it was sturdy, but it's really not built for a whole bunch of clothes anyway. And if you could see, let me show you. Hold on. Okay, so we're going to go back in here. So, if you could see, my husband's side, he has two rows, the top row, and then he has down here bottom row. So it's not like a long row. So thank God all of this didn't come tumbling down, but all of the boots I had and stuff up here came tumbling down. Let me show you these. They did not put them in right, because they should have had screws like this. Not like that. So they have a lot of them that are like that, and that's why it really didn't hold. And I'm to blame too, because I have mega clothes on top of it. So I'm not going to say that it was all just the wall. It's not designed to hold all of these clothes. So I'm not really in a rush to redo this closet. The stuff over here is just boots and stuff that fell. So we need to be able to get in here if I want to get to my pocketbooks and stuff, or my sneakers and stuff like that. So we're just going to organize this to where we can walk in here comfortable. put them over there on the bed. I can see stuff that I know I can fit right now, just in case we go out, or something I can have to wear. And then stuff that I don't want, we're throwing a pile right there to give away. Thing that I want in a pile, and we'll lay it all across this wall, and then we'll lay it neatly. You ready?
For my good, for my good, it's all working. For my good, for my good, for my good, it's all working. For my good, yeah. When I think about all my plans, everything I need, always want more money to spend, 'cause I got these mouths to feed. Then I think about where I've been, and I must believe that if he did it, he'll do it again. God has been too good to me. Every good and perfect thing, let's see what today may bring. For my good.
So far, this pile is not as big as I want it to be, but it's getting there, right, babe?
Yeah.
So this.
My good, it's all working. For my good, it's gonna work out. For my good, yeah.
Let me tell you just how I know when I lost it all. He returned it 100-fold, 'cause I held on to his promise. If you wonder what the future holds, if it will get better, just rest and take it slow, one foot in front of the other.
Every good.
Okay, I guess since it's hot, I'm going to put my boots inside here. All that can fit.
Every good, perfect thing. Let's see. For my good.
So now I'm just here getting all the shoes and stuff off of the floor, putting away stuff that I can get to if I need to get to them. So we're not sure what we're gonna do. We might buy a wardrobe set.
I see it working.
It's all working.
Yes, it is.
For my good. For my good.
So I've came in the closet. Everything here, we just piled up the shoes and stuff. We put the other shoes in the basket under here, and some things is in another basket under there. That way my clothes don't have to be on the floor. So we piled up the clothes that I'm keeping all over here. Okay, so this is all my husband's side, where he can get to his stuff, where he needs to get to his stuff. So that's why we wanted to clear the floor, so he'll be able to come in and get what he needs and stuff like that. And then here are the clothes that I can wear if we have a event to go to, a party to go to, whatever. I know that the clothes are on the back of the closet that I can pick from. And then it's going to be a continue of a closet tour to let you see what we do to the closet. Because like we said, we don't know as of now. But this is just a sneak preview of what the closet was in its half state. This is all my husband's clothes. We are sorting out. That's the giveaway pile so far over there. Timberland pants. Still got the tags on them. Never wore them. So many things he never wore. Okay, so let's start putting the coats in the closet. Okay, I'm taking this break because my husband said he didn't have no black pants, and he needed black pants. Look at all of these black pants we going through here. Over here, he got all of these black pants that he has, and he told me he needed new black pants. We done found like 4 pair that brand new, never been worn. We at a point where it's looking bad, but it's gonna look so good at the end. Okay, this is what we came up with out of the closet. That is a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff here. A lot. You did good, babe. He gave me some hard times for when it came to the pants, but look at all them pants he couldn't wear, or they were just washed out. But he gave in at the end, and this is what we did. We worked together. Coming to an end. Everything is color coordinated, put in place where he can find his clothes. Good job, babe. Good job. Fell down again. These little cheap things can't hold my clothes. This is about the second one I had to buy. So we are going to be getting this closet done. I'm going to patch up all the holes that's in there and paint. That's what we're going to do. And see what kind of fixtures we're going to be putting up in this closet. It has to get done. I'm tired of all my stuff just collapsing in the middle of the night. my pretties, we finally got this closet done. We are happy with the results. And if you made it to the end, you are my VIP to my heart. I thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. We would like you to like the video. Thumbs it up for us, please. Subscribe if you're new. Welcome to the family. Thank you for joining us once again. We appreciate you. We will see you then.
All right, y'all.
And as we always say, peace.
Till the next time.
Till the next time.
New love. Can we get high? New love. No drugs.